So here we're here with Dr. K and the students, and they're once more back to the Carney Swamp to do some research. But yeah, Dr. K spotted that iguana, you know, with that dark shade of hers, and she still spotted that iguana. So we'll keep you guys posted how the research went today, and if we caught anything big, but it's all catch and release, so you'll just get some footage. So that's one more for the captain's log, signing out.
So the weight of this one is 0.7 pounds.
0.7 pounds?
Yeah.
Alright. So we finished measured weed, and yeah, you can toss that boy back. Nice. And we're getting them really quick and fast. Then we have a belly around because he has to measure, weigh, get everything in. Kelly, you have one there?
Got a bite.
Got a bite? Alright, so it's going good so far. And we'll keep you guys posted. My boy Tim here is checking how much oysters there are on this one route. Tim, you getting through, buddy?
I getting through.
So we have Dr. K with a spade fish. We should just pull it up, so we're gonna get it measured, weighed, and get it back in the water as fast as possible. Come team, let's work. So the species just keep coming, and it's great. So you guys do your thing, and let's get him back in the water.
Which side is it? Okay, zero is this way.
He just jammed the fish. Only thing that's
Yeah, Dr. K, tell me.
It's very good.
It's very good.
Yes.
Oh, we have it here. He's bad hook, he'll come out.
Oh,
Alright, Kelly.
somebody's gonna step on it.
Okay.
Alright? Yeah. So let's weigh him, measure him, and get him back in the water quickly. So we just got a tap on up in one of the test lines, and this team is working quickly
3.
as possible to get all the data as they can. It's just a few seconds, they have to work with him quickly, and then we're going to get him back into the water.
How you know when he moving?
Just move him slowly. Yeah, let's get the oxygen going. Right. Perfect. Keep him there. Watch your team.
Yeah,
He's feeling stronger. That's nice. When he wants to leave your hand, let him go. Takes that gulp of air.
No, he going down.
Yeah, let him go. Alright, nice. Well done. That's what it's all about. Perfect. Well done, team. Well done. Alright, bring him in. What it is? Well done, team. What it is? A grouper? Nice. Bring it in. Bring it by the base. Well, let's get out stuff fast. Well done, team. So we're trying to get the stomach content of the grouper, so we'll know what they are feeding in within the mangrove here. And these are juveniles Goliath grouper. It's actually an endangered species, and you all know what's going on with the lionfish epidemic. It's taken over our reefs, our waters, our oceans, and this is one of the fish. This is one of the fish that can actually eat lionfish. This and the moray eel. So all these research are being done to make sure that the livestock are healthy. So gonna work with him quickly and get him back into the water. Alright, so we are getting all this stuff out, and as you can see, there's a lot of crabs. Crabs so far, what are you all making out there?
Yeah, crab.
Yeah, not the best to smell here.
No, it went to my mouth.
All in the all for research.
Alright, stopped again.
Look at that squeeze out. I'm feeling it.
It's what, 1.5 kgs?
Yeah, 1.5.
Alright, nice, perfect.
Anyone else?
So we're going to release him now. Alright, let him get some oxygen first. Let the water flows through. And if he wants to go,
There be too many people on one side of the car.
let him go.
I was already here, so.
Yeah, you can let him go now. Alright.
Big
Nice.
yellow tag.
Yeah. Well done, team. Well done, Dr. Kelly. Nice, nice.
Number 2.
What number is that, Dr. Kelly?
Number 3.
Number 3. Well done. So let's work it in quickly and get it back into the water. Alright, Dr. K. You do your thing. Nice. Let that boy go.
Right, grow big and strong. Oh,
Nice.
oh yeah, he's
Oh
good.
yeah, speeding past me. Well done, team. Well done, team. Nice.
Yes.
I'm excited so far.
Nice.
Sure, we have what? 2 more lines?
2 more lines. Let's go check it out. So that completes our day research today with the UTT students. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Nice. So it's always a pleasure to have Dr. K come into the Carney Bird Sanctuary and with the kids doing their stuff. So just to close off today, that's one more for the captain's log. Signing out.